Welcome to this video on duty cycles, where we will decipher the S1 through S8 motor operation patterns. Understanding these patterns is key to selecting the correct motor for your application. At the core of duty cycles is the thermal balance. We must understand the relationship between work intervals, rest periods, and temperature stability to prevent overheating and premature failure. A duty cycle defines the load regime, including starting, electric braking, and rest periods. The goal is for the motor to reach thermal equilibrium without exceeding its insulation class temperature limits. S1 is continuous duty. The motor operates at a constant load long enough to reach thermal equilibrium. This is the industry standard for fans, pumps, and conveyors that run non-stop. S2, short-time duty, runs at a constant load for a limited time, like 30 minutes, without reaching thermal equilibrium, followed by a long rest. S3, intermittent periodic, uses identical work and rest cycles, but the rest period is too short for the motor to cool to ambient temperature. Dynamic load cycles include S4, intermittent duty with starting, which generates heat during startup. S5 adds electric braking, increasing thermal stress during rapid deceleration. S6 is continuous operation with intermittent load, where the motor alternates between load and no load but never stops. Here is a complete matrix of S1 through S8. S7, reversing rolling mills, reaches a dynamic equilibrium. S8, multi-speed conveyors, involves variable speed and load changes. Different duty cycles result in different thermal stress. S1 is the baseline, while S4, with its frequent starts, introduces high peak heat. S6 involves a continuous thermal load, even during no-load periods. Industrial cranes are classic examples of S3 and S4 duties, involving frequent starts under heavy loads. Selecting an S1 motor for an S4 application would lead to rapid overheating due to the repeated high current inrush of starting. Modern applications utilize complex duties. Electric vehicle drive cycles are highly complex S8 style. Robotics use S5 style precision movements, and AI logistics utilize high-frequency intermittent duties for drones. For practical selection, always check the duty mark on the motor nameplate. For intensive duties like S4, you may need a larger motor frame size. Ensure your thermal overload protection matches the duty cycle.